Good morning. I just made some coffee. This is just my cold setting on my coffee maker that I just showed you guys. I have some ice here and my Premier protein. So this is how I make my protein coffee. I do have a video on how I made it a long time ago, so if you've seen that, but anyways, I just pour it over ice. This is just regular black coffee, you guys, but it's really good with espresso. I'm not gonna lie, I wish I had that, but that's okay. And then I just put caramel Premier over top. So good, so good. Then I put it on my Instagram. You're not following me over there. I usually post daily. But yeah, and then I just stirred around and I let the ice get make it all cold like. This is so good, you guys, honestly. It's like the best thing. I've been craving it. You can get these at Walmart, but I would suggest getting them either on Amazon or Sam's Club, Costco, because Walmart does have this. They have these knockoff ones, you guys. Let me just look at this stuff. They have these knockoff ones, and I've gotten a lot of feedback that people really like them, but I personally don't like them, unfortunately. I don't know why. I just feel like it's so sweet. I might have to give it another try, like I said before, but these are just my jam. The caramel one is my favorite. I don't like any of the other ones. I don't like vanilla, only because I feel like it's too sweet. I don't like the cookies and cream that much because it's just kind of weird, but like I said, caramel is my absolute fave. And then I don't know how I feel about this, so try it your will, but I mean, the price difference is nice, but I don't like the flavor of it. Okay, you guys, and then I'll put a little bit of the sugar-free syrup on top of the ice there. And I don't have any whipped cream or anything, but I should have put it like all along the sides, and I totally forgot. I did see this, however, at my friend's local grocery store. It's just with all of the Sunday mix, but look for the sugar-free one because it's only 3 points for a serving. But I typically don't have 2 tablespoons. I just normally have like a drizzle. So I just counted as 0. This whole thing is only 2 points, and it's literally so filling and delicious. So highly recommend. Otherwise, I do have other videos on how I make my coffee if you are new here. But I really like this, and if I when I was working full-time, this is what I would drink every morning because I didn't have time to eat. And my stomach gets really upset if I eat super early in the morning or if I eat right when I wake up. So this was a huge thing I had every single morning. I just drink them whenever I want. So my friend gave me this one because I was out, and then I don't like these guys. So yeah, anyways, that's a yummy trick and hack that I love. I'm gonna make some egg salad, you guys. So put the eggs in, yeah, sandwich. Put the eggs in the water, and once it starts boiling, then you're gonna want to put it on 12 minutes, and then once the timer goes off, they're done. So super delicious. And then I'll show you guys how I make my egg salad. Alright, you guys, and here's how I make my egg salad. It's really easy, and the only thing, I do Weight Watchers Blue Plan, so the only thing that counts in this is this right here, the light mayo. I'm using 2 tablespoons for 2 points, or sorry, 3 points, and it's so delicious, you guys. Mustard eggs are 0, and then I put some seasoning in it, and then obviously it's just going to be the bread and cheese, which I will show you how many points it will be here in a second. Hello you guys. So I'm making myself some lunch. I ate that egg salad sandwich kind of as a like a breakfast or like brunch, I don't know. But anyway, so I had some leftover stuffing from when I made stuffed peppers. So this is like kind of an inspo from my lunch yesterday with Danielle. So anyways, I'm going to just add some Tostitos cheese, just 2 tablespoons on top, and then I'm going to microwave it, and then I'm going to use chips to scoop it out and eat it. So I will show you guys what that looks like. I don't know if this will be any good, but I'm really excited to try it. She had where she cooked, I shared it on my Instagram, but she just cooked like a healthy choice meal with some sour cream in the middle and then ate it with chips. So it's kind of like my own little twist, but let's cook this. You guys, so this is what it looks like. So I have 1 serving of the chips, the meat, and so what it is essentially is just stuffed pepper mixture. So it's just 90-10 beef, rice, and tomato sauce. Let me show you because I made this recipe the other night. Or you know what, I don't have it on here. But what I do for tracking wise is 11 points. So it's 1/4 cup of rice, 3 ounces of lean ground beef, the tostados, is that how you say it, Jay? Tostitos? Tostados. Whatever. Chips and the medium salsa. So 11 points. This would be a great dinner, a great lunch. Essentially,
I can't really call it tostadas. There's not anything in there.
Essentially, this would be delicious for really anything. Jason's making popcorn. That's what that noise is. But yeah, so let me know if you guys try this. I love it. Like the mixture. I haven't tried it with the chips yet, so let's try it together. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna try it on camera. Sorry for all the background noise. Jason's making popcorn. Okay, so this is the mixture on the chip, but it's also good too, like on the spoon by itself. So, that is so good. You gotta get like the meat. Can you even see that? Meat, cheese.
Jalapeno.
It's like nachos. It's only 11 points. Hey guys, so my camera. Hey you guys, so I'm extremely hungry. Got a headache again. So Jason just ran up to Arby's. He's gonna get me a turkey gyro, which I'll share with you guys. I had 12 points left. I had 17, but I had a bowl of cereal because I was so hungry. I couldn't. I'm so mad that I ate that, but whatever. So that was 5 points. Then I had 12 left, and I wanted to vlog something good for dinner, but we literally need to go grocery shopping so bad. So I'm just gonna show you the real raw stuff, you guys. A crunch. We didn't know what to eat, and so I know that a turkey gyro at Arby's is 12 points, which is actually a lot for somebody who might not have any points. Another really good thing that I like from Arby's is their 6-point salad. I'm getting the chopped one, I think he's gonna get me, so I'm going over by 2 points. It's with no dressing though. But this is real life, you guys. Things happen, and I'm fitting it in my points, but it's not the point of why I'm upset. The point of why I'm upset is because I didn't want to eat out. I just feel like I eat out too much already, so I wanted to find something here to eat, but it is what it is. But yeah, anyways, I need to go grocery shopping. You guys, I'm just kind of struggling. I'm like literally plateauing right now. I have been eating my points or under my points by a few each night, so I know that tonight it'll be fine to go over by 2, but I'm more like frustrated because I'm plateauing, and I haven't been able to drink a ton of water because I've been getting really bad migraines when I drink too much water. So the struggle bus is real. Kind of is what it is. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna see what I weigh in the morning. Going over by 2. I might be going over by 3 points because I'm gonna use my own ranch. But yeah, if I went to have that bowl of cereal, it'd be fine because I get 38 points in a day. But like I said, you guys, I was so hungry. Because, you know, I think that it's the time of the month soon. So, like, I'm extra hungry. And my weight, like, it goes at a standstill. Which is totally normal when it's that time of month for me. or like when it's gonna be that time of month for me, I should say. So yeah, I'm just rambling, but I just wanted to say, you guys, thank you for continuously watching my What I Eat in a Days. I haven't really talked about my weight on here, and I get really nervous too, because the world is so judgmental and it's so hard to open up and like be your complete self, especially online. As you can tell, I'm a little nervous talking about it, but I do want to be honest. And I used to share my weight on here all the time, but it's more of like a mental thing for myself that I don't want to talk about it, if that makes sense. Like I barely talk about it with any, like I talk about it with myself. Nobody knows exactly what I weigh except Jay, and he doesn't care, but he's the only person I confide in and talk to about my weight. And you all know I had a little bit of a weight gain, about 15 pounds. I'm almost to my lowest, which was 265, so it can kind of give you a rough estimate of how much I weighed. 265 plus 15, so there you have it. But yeah, I mean, it's depressing to talk about. Who wants a weight gain? Like, that's another thing I wanted to talk about. Was I've had this one distinct message, and she watches my YouTube, but somebody who had judged me really hard for coaching and gaining weight. I'm not gonna really touch on it, but she had reached out and touched light on it a little, and you know, it kind of made me upset, because it's hard that like nobody truly understands what it's like to gain weight unless you gain weight yourself. After you've had a loss, it's actually more traumatizing than even being your highest weight, because I'm gonna be honest with you guys, right now at this weight I feel worse than I did at my highest weight, and I'm getting emotional about it because it's hard. It's not easy. Weight loss is really hard, and it'll never get easier, but if you want something bad enough, you'll like push for it. Like, you won't give up. So basically, I'm telling you right now, like, I will never give up. So oh my god, I'm a crybaby. But it's hard, so that's kind of why I didn't want to eat out today. But I just want you guys to know that I love you so much, and it really means a lot to have like a good support system behind me, and have people that watch my life and enjoy it and get inspiration from me, because sometimes I feel like I am failing at this weight loss thing, but I'm just gonna keep chugging along, because if I don't, then who will? So, and you have to be your biggest cheerleader, and no one else will be. So anyways, you guys, I'm gonna be enough of a Debbie Downer, I'm sorry, but I just want you guys to know that I'm not always happy. I'm not always losing weight. I'm like, it's been a roller coaster, and I don't know what's wrong, and I just need to target it. But I also get really frustrated when people try to tell me what I need to do, or try to tell me what kind of diet I should be doing, because it's like, I'm never gonna not do Weight Watchers. I love Weight Watchers. I know it works. It's the user who is not doing it correctly, you know. Like, I'm the one who is eating over my points, and even if it's just over like 5 points every day, you're gonna gain weight. Like, there's a reason why you have points, and there's a reason why you have weeklies. You can use your weeklies, but if you're using them and abusing them, you're not gonna lose weight. So I've learned. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna quit being a negative Nelly. I'm really not trying to be. It's just, this is how I'm feeling, and this is what I want to share. So if you've ever had a negative thought about my weight gain, just put it into perspective of, what if you were me? You know, like, what if you had lost 65 pounds and gained 15 back? It's traumatizing. It's scary. Like, people want to judge people who gain weight, like, oh my god, how could she do that? How could she gain weight? Like, I just don't understand. And it's true, you don't understand until you do it, you know? Because I used to be like that with, there's like certain people, and they had gained like 50, 60 pounds, and I was like blown away. I'm like, how do they do that? Why do they? But what people don't understand is, when you suffer with binge eating, it's not that easy to just be like, oh, today I'm gonna stop eating bad, overeating, you know. If you're suffering too from a weight gain, or if you're suffering and you're plateauing like me, or whatever it might be, I just want you guys to know you're not alone. Okay, my battery, or my camera, ran out of storage, so that was a sign to shut your mouth, Brittney. I'm just kidding. That was a sign to quit yapping. But I feel a lot better. It kind of feels like a weight lifted off my chest, you guys. It's scary to share your journey on the internet because there's so much hate nowadays. It's so frightening. I have the best boyfriend pretty much in the entire planet. He came home with chicken breast that he's gonna grill. And my favorite salad is from Perkins. It's the honey mustard chicken salad. He knows that's my absolute favorite. So he bought our favorite lettuce blend and everything you need for the salad. I'm gonna cry. I'm so blessed. And then this light honey mustard. You guys, I can't. Yummy. Jason just grilled us some chicken. You guys, I feel a lot better. I just want to touch on it tonight that talking to you guys really helped a lot. Even though it's just me and the camera right now, I know that it's not just me and the camera, you know. And having somebody like Jason to pick me up when I'm down like this and not even really know it really makes me feel so good. I just feel so good. I'm gonna make a salad. This chicken's bomb. He just put some of that honey mustard on it for like a glaze. It's really good, you guys. So I'm just gonna make a big old salad and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, you guys, here's my salad. It's so good. It's only 8 points for all of this. Yummy yum. The only thing we're counting is the dressing. Right, Jay? I think. Let me see. Oh, the cheese. And yeah. So what we did was he grilled it with a tablespoon of the honey mustard. Then I just did 39 grams of honey mustard. I should have just did 2 tablespoons. I don't really know what I was thinking, but it's fine. It's only 8 points. So I still have, get out of here. Oh, and that's how he shakes it up. Oh, I still have 4 points left, and I had, you guys know I'm into cereal, so I had not even any points worth of milk. It was just a little tiny bit. And then I have this, I always get this variety pack of cereal because they're only 5 points. So I had the tricks tonight. But all right, you guys, we're gonna go enjoy dinner. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.